In this video, I will show you how to use Fireflies.ai. So Fireflies is basically an AI meeting assistant that will help you transcribe and summarize your meetings, and through that you can then easily search meetings and analyze voice conversations. And in order to get started, first it's going to head over to Fireflies.ai. Now make sure to watch this video until the end, because in this video I will show you everything you need to know in order to get started with Fireflies.ai and how you can actually add it to your meetings. So just gonna click get started for free right there. Then here you can continue with Google or Microsoft. Now here you will need to enter your meeting settings. So meetings Fireflies will join, all meetings with a web conference link, only meetings that I own, or only when I invite Fred at Fireflies.ai. Now I want it in all meetings, so I'll do all meetings with web conference link. Then you can send the meeting recaps to everyone on the invite, only me and participants from my Fireflies team, or only me. Now I'll set it to only me and click continue. Then here you can go to invite your coworkers to your workspace, so you can enter their emails, then enter a comma and then enter another email, and then just click invite, but I'll just click on not now. Now here you can go and start your 7-day free trial. So I'll start my 7-day free trial right now. So to do this, you can either first choose whether you want to pay monthly or annually. And you can see at the bottom here, after that it's $29 per seat per month. However, if you don't want to do this yet, in the top right you can click on the X in order to close this. And then here you can pick your language. For me it's English. And now you can go and see the demo. I'm going to skip this. So then you will be in the Fireflies AI dashboard. Now from here what you can go and do is in the top right click on the plus. Then here you can add to a live meeting. So if you're already in a meeting and you want to add Fireflies AI, then you want to select that option. If you want to schedule a new meeting, you can enter that. Or if you want to upload audio or video, for example, screen recording from a previous meeting, then you want to click on that option. For example, I'll click schedule a new meeting, then choose either a Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook meeting. And then choose whether you want to schedule it in your Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. I'll do Google Calendar. So now what you can go to do is invite people. So you will, for me, it says my name right here. So it will be your meeting. And then on top of that, it will have this Fred at Fireflies.ai. And that basically means that Fireflies AI will be in the meeting. And you can also go and add more people to this. So then you can choose how long it will take, when the meeting will be, etc. So then you can click save and then click send if you want to send the invitations. And now it will be in your Google Calendar. Now if you are already in a meeting where you want to add this, then click on plus, then click add to live meeting. Then here you can name your meeting. It is not necessary. Then here you have a meeting link, so you can capture meetings from Gmeet, Zoom, MS Teams and more. So here simply go and enter the meeting link and then it will request access. So I'll just add a Zoom meeting for this example. So I've just started a Google Meet instead, but you can also do a Zoom meeting. Now here you have a link, and that's the same with every single platform that you host this on. You will always have an invite link somewhere. So go to Fireflies and then here simply go and paste in that link and then click start capturing. Now you will see what will happen in the Google Meet right here is that I will get a request from Fred at Fireflies.ai to go and join this meet. So you can see it right here, waiting to be admitted, Fireflies.ai note taker. So go and click on admit, and then this will be in the meeting. So everyone in the meeting will be able to see that that's there. But now in this meeting, this will just automatically transcribe it for you. And now if I just go and end this meeting and head back into Fireflies, I can now go to the 3 lines in the top left, then click meetings. Now here you will see the meeting that I just had. So let's open this one up. Then here in your meetings, the meeting will show up, and along with that, it will show a transcript, and you can just search for stuff right there. Now there you have an example right here. So this is an 8-minute meeting, and it has created a summary, so an overview, then the outline, so what is being said where, so 06 to 09, description of the welcome screen, etc. Then here you have a full transcript, which you can just go and search, and that's basically how this works. Now here in the video section, they will also have a screen recording of the meeting so that you can watch it back if you would like to do that. Now it also integrates with a bunch of apps, so go to the three lines and here click integrations. You can see it right here, Airtable, Asana, Box, Fireflies API, Dropbox, and a bunch more, so you can integrate it with whatever apps you use for your business. Then in the team section, you can also go and invite your teammates in order to collaborate inside of the Fireflies app. Now you'll see I have 800 minutes of storage of meeting, so if you do get a paid subscription, then you will get more. But in the free one, you also get 3 transcriptions. So 1 credit is 1 meeting that will be transcribed. So now you know how to use Fireflies AI. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.